By default all papers extracted have the green checkbox. It's up to you analyze the metadata and abstract of the single paper to confirm or exclude it from the final dataset you need to submit to statistical analysis. That's an example of to do the final selection. Expand the paper metadata clicking on the title. Check the box at the right of the title to confirm your evaluation, positive or not. If you want to exclude the paper from the final dataset, click on the switch button to off position. The switch will turn red. You can add a note to each paper as a reminder the reasons of your decision of exclusion or inclusion. In the example we've added some notes of the reason why those papers must be excluded from the final dataset. As a reminder of your evaluation of each paper, whether or not it must be included in the final dataset, check the box at the right of the title. This is not mandatory but is strongly suggested.